How to reduce photo quality in Google Photos. Firstly, you have to open the Google Photos app. Now click on the profile which is present at the right top corner. Just move here, and before this just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Now click on the photo settings. Click on the backup here, and now click on the backup quality. Now we can reduce photo quality in Google Photos by clicking on it. Select show store more slightly reduced quality. Click on it. In this way you will reduce your quality of video like this. Now you can see your quality of uploading photos or videos from your Google Photos is being reduced. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.